I would put it to you this, my friends. A budget is a moral document. Whatever the size of the budget is, whoever is producing the budget, it is a moral document that reflects the values and aspirations of the people who's paying the bills, which would be you.
We need to be able to make direct decisions about what's happening in City Hall, because it's not enough that we vote November every few years, but we have to be present all the time. That's part of public budgeting that really matters to me.
When I think of an empowered democratic community, I always think of our access to education and who is supporting education.
And our goal, Unite Oregon and with the coalition, it's to create channels of communication to make sure that they're able to communicate directly with the people who are in charge.